My name is Miss Pumpernickel, and my helper here's name is Miss Singslot. Hello. Today we're going to teach you the multiplication properties. Easy as a fish on a farm. There are 4 different kinds of properties.
4 different kinds.
Yeah. There's zero property, identity property, commutative property, and associative. Miss Singslot, would you kindly show us an example of zero property?
Sure. There you go.
So remember, anything times 0 is 0. Now show us an example of identity property.
Okay.
So anything times 1 will remain the same number. Miss Singsalot, show us commutative. Thanks. Now, look kids, even though the numbers are switched, it's still the same product. All of these may sound easy, but associative property is by far the hardest. So if we had this problem, so first we do the numbers in the parentheses, and then we bring down the 2, and it will equal 8. Then we do these parentheses, 4, and bring down the 4, equals 8. 8 and 8 are equal, and that's associative property.
Bye for now.
Stop. Hi, my name's Paris. Today I am talking about remembering to either round the fractions or use compatible numbers when estimating, like 37 times 88 equals, well, I can't do that in my head. So 37 is about 30 and 88 is about 90. So can I start over? No, cuz and so I need to circle the most important numbers in the equation, and 9, which is 9 times 3, which equals 27, and I need to add the zeros, which is 2,700. Let's let's do another one. 32 times 400, or 412, equals, well, I still can't do that in my head. So 32 is about 30, and 412 is about 400, which equals, wait, I need to circle the most important numbers in the equation, which is 4 times 3, which equals 12, and I need to add the remaining zeros, the remaining 3 zeros. And you should get 12,000. That's all for today.
Hello, I am the him, and today we are going to learn about exponential notations. First, we will do exponential notation for 7 to the third power. The base is, of course, the 7, and then we will do the exponent, which is the smaller number, which is the 3. Don't forget to write it small or else it'll look like 73. Next, we are going to do expanded form. We are going to have to write 7 times 7 times 7, not 7 times 3. Next, we are going to write it in standard forms. That is the answer to this. So first, we don't know how to do 7 times 7 times 7. So first, we'll just do 7 times 7, which is 49, a basic math fact. 49 times 7 is 49 times 7 is, first we will have to do 9 times 7, which is 63, and 7 times 4, which is 28, plus 6 is 34. The answer is 343. Then we will now do the secret code. First, you have to write the standard form for 10 to the fifth power, 5 to the fourth power, 16 to the third power, and 4 to the 16th power. Add all those answers together and you will get the secret code. I hope you learned something from this lesson. If you didn't, too bad.
Hi, my name is Dylan, and we are going to multiply using partial products. First, you draw a box. Then you split it into 4 parts. Let's say the numbers are 53 and 62. You would write it like this. Then you write 50 times 60 in the first box. You cover up the zeros and multiply 5 times 6, then add the zeros. So 5 times 6 is 30. Then you add the 2 zeros. 1, 2. In the second box, you write 50 times 2. You cover up the 0 on the 50 and do 5 times 2, which is 10. Then you add the 0, which is 100. In the third box, you write 60 times 3, cover up the 0 in the 60, and do 6 times 3, which is 18. Then add the 0, which is 180. In the last box, you do 3 times 2. You write 3 times 2, which is 6. Then somewhere off to the side, you add. You add the products. 3,000 100, 180, 6. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus nothing is 3. And your answer will be 3,286.
Hello, I'm Honey, and today I'm going to teach you how to do standard algorithm. Our numbers today are 127 times 45. So first we're going to do 7 times 5 equals 35. We're going to carry the 3 and put the 5 right here. Then we're going to do 2 times 5 is 10 plus 3 is 13. So we're going to carry the 1 and put the 3 underneath. Now since we've already used the 3, we're going to cross it out. Next, we're going to do 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. And we put the 6 underneath. Now we're going to use our placeholder 0. And then we're going to do 4 times 7 is 28. We're going to carry the 2 and put the 8 under here. Now we're going to do 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10. We're going to put the 0 under the 6. Now we're going to do 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And then we're going to add all of our numbers up. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 5 plus nothing is 5. And then your answer is 5,715. And see you later. Over and out.
Hello, class. It's me, Professor Lettuce, and my assistant, Professor Method.
Hello.
We will now teach you the lettuce method. First, you will draw the lattice box and the water slides. The numbers that we will be working with today are 1,219 and 618. How do you multiply 1,219 by 618 easily?
We'll tell you.
First, we have to multiply. 9 times 6 is 54. 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 times 6 is 6. Next, we will do 9 times 1 is 1, or 9. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And 1 times 1 is 1. After, we will write 9 times 8 is 72. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 1 times 8 is 8. Then, we will add the numbers using the water slides. Woo! 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 All right, so now we will add 2 minus nothing is 2. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 9 is 24. 4 plus 0 is 4, plus 1 plus 6 is
13.
all right. All right, so we'll write 13 and carry the 1. All right, now we will do 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 6 is 12, plus 2 is 14, 20 plus 8 is 22, plus 1 is 23. No, 22. 2 plus, no, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Then we will go to the next column and do 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. All right. Well, there we have it. Now you know how to use the lettuce method. I'm Patrick and this is Angelo and we're doing multiple step. Yes, it is. Oh, no, it's not. Oh.
That's alright.
Okay. I'm Patrick and this is Angelo and we're doing multiple step problems. First, we're going to highlight the digits that he saves up on and then spends. Okay, on to step 1. First, you add 30 plus 21 plus 50. Okay, then hopefully you'll get 101. Next, step 2, you'll add 18 plus 26, which is how much money he spent. Okay, and step 3 is to subtract 101 from 44. Now you've just done multiple step problems.